Hello everybody, I'm your favorite tech 7-year-old Elon Musk, and today I'm going to read this AI written script. Now you want to know why Elon is so cool? It's because Elon speaks in the third person. Sorry. Now I never went to college, so I don't know how to make tech. So now I'm going to ask AI how to make one. What is this? OpenAI, make me a robot.
No, sir, my Sigma. I be chilling in the crib with da boys.
Okay, that was weird. Anyway, now it's time to test drive the new Tesla. Huh? Hi, and I'm in the new Tesla. And my people have told my unpaid interns have told me that this thing can drive itself. So it's time to let go. Now to turn to a lighter subject, all those car crashes. Artificial intelligence. The new Tesla lets you talk to AI in case you don't have friends. And AI lets you have a girlfriend in case you don't have a girlfriend. Speaking of AI, that's what I used to design the new Cybertruck, which looks like a glitched out car in GTA.
We interrupt Elon Musk for breaking news. Dogs.
Dogs all around the world are done being pets and they hit the streets in massive protests.
Now to our reporter in the field, Natalia, who is talking to some concerned citizens.
Thanks, Michaela. I'm here with Kim and Michelle.
So, tell us, how do you feel about this current situation?
These dogs are ruining our peace. What have they ever done for their country? I'm calling their managers. I can't get to work. I can't get to my exercise classes. And one of those dogs tried to assault me. They are ruining this country.
Thanks. Back to you, Alanis and Michaela.
We've had news of rising violence among the dogs. Please stay safe.
Sleeper Joe, the #1 sleeping pill in America. Are you sleepy? Then take our beautiful Sleeper Joe pills. You may not take this pill if you are type 1 diabetic or type 2, or if you are pregnant. This may cause problems.
After Sleeper Joe, my life is great again because I can put the sleeping pill right in my boyfriend's food so he can be quiet while I see someone else. Oh, hey!
Oh, babe, got you some flowers.
Oh, how nice of you!
Who is that guy sleeping on your bed?
He's just a room cleaner guy. Yeah, that's what he is.
Okay. If you want a happy life or more happier like this woman, take Sleeper Joe. For this pill, you can only use it once daily.
That's why I put 5 in his food.
Maybe some side effects to this medicine like dizziness, divorce, sores, bankruptcy, blindness, radiation, swelling, cancer, flu, sweating, internal bleeding, 100% decrease of Riz, blood inflammation, wrinkles, and most likely death.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Sleeper Joe!
If you don't come get your dog now, I'm calling the police.
Okay, I just think that there should be peace. There's no reason for these protests to be happening. I know that some dogs might be mistreated, but does that mean that all dogs should be owned? I just think everything should stay the way that it is. There's no reason for it to change. There really isn't. And
Marketing. Yeah, this kid's a sweat. This kid's a sweat. Hey. It hurts. God. Ah!
Someone get me my food. I'm calling this TV's managers.